Yeah, it's a good day. On the verge, going downtown. That I went on to next night before the lockdown. But the downtown pre-ments. What dancer you say on it?
Yeah. Move, yeah?
On the move. Daily duty. Dancer talent, you know, watch too.
A good life, you know?
Yeah.
With a good life.
You done?
No,
No, go on.
when you see the camera, it's there, but you know? Good life.
It's a good life.
A good life.
Work still have to put in.
Right away.
Right away.
It was very nice, sir.
Well, I just one of them things there, you see it here? This, a good medication. Yeah.
For the corona right now.
Corona, bad mind, everything. This good feel.
everything and that's it, big up yourself, you know. That's good life. Yeah, I do. So the sugar going on here. Yes, used to it. They don't know them see your face, no, them can know if I can't come find at the market. Tell them to find it at the market.
Right in a yard park.
Yeah, park. Step on them everything there, so no, if you see her face, so you can pass at the market and know it's back there right now, yard park. Naturally, you got yourself, I try and get long time, yeah? Every time. Yeah.
It's a good life.
Yeah, good life. How do you know?
I want them something here.
Look at them.
This look like a can. A can or a piece.
And then I want.
It look like a same piece.
That's like linseed.
Mommy, come in.
Chunks. See a good thing my phone now. Baby, where you going with?
Come in a bad time now, you come in the style send down, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I tell you, man. I will be a piece them here.
Yeah, peas them here. Mixed peas and all.
Mixed peas.
Yeah. Because you come in the business road, our friend them tell us style down.
Start sell out, at least it's good then, business are going on then, man, baby, man, things up. Sell out. So you know the ground food and them sitting there?
No. I don't ground food.
Are those peas I do?
Yeah, mixed peas and nuts.
Mixed peas and nuts. Now go get some.
Sunflower and all of them.
You know, go set me up with some of them there, man. I don't know the thing they are going with.
And normally, them they're full. Shop they're full, everything down there.
Don't know, it's still a good life still.
A good life.
It's a good life. So it's all of the things that we always want. I see them there. Yeah. So I go on.
You come and look on the bucket and I see a milk powder.
Where? Oh. Chunks, veggie chunks.
That's his baby. Coronation Market. Okay, that's cabbage way.
Cabbage way. You can't see the size still, but up there so.
Once you come in the market, you will find cabbage way.
Yeah, and you will find
the
baby.
business, yeah. We have the sign on there. Find your beans. All different type of beans, peas, nuts and seeds.
Yeah.
We have sunflower, pistachio, flaxseed, also pumpkin seed, quinoa, also known as rice, and the rice.
Yeah, so this is which one?
That is a chia seed.
Chia seed,
We
okay,
have the
show me.
chia seed, full of fibers.
Okay.
Many different things. Help lose weight. It's more definitely work for woman, but man can also have it.
We use that in a punch, like if you are blend up.
Punch, you can use it in punch, you can put some in water and drink.
Okay.
We have the linseed, we also call it flaxseed. We have the
Linseed.
cashew, we have the sea mash, we also call Irish mash.
Irish man.
Pumpkin seed full of magnesium for prostate for man. We have the almond. Good for all kind of things, cholesterol.
And this is what is now, the same
This
thing.
is sesame seed. This is man's best friend of cleaning their sperms and thing. Who cannot have any children, this will help.
This?
Mainly, yeah. You have the natural, this is the natural, this is processed.
Okay.
So we have the quinoa,
Quinoa, what's that now?
Yeah, rice. It's a form of rice. It's more better than rice. And more healthier.
They cook it exactly like rice?
Cook it exactly like rice.
Yeah, the first one I
You have
said
the
that.
red one, I have the white one. That one I mix this one.
So how you cook this? Like put the water and
Rice.
same, yeah?
If you use a cup of it, if you throw it out in a cup, water with it.
Okay.
The salt, your butter. Even if you want to do it in coconut milk.
I come out same you like rice.
Yeah, rice. We have the dry cranberry.
Cranberry.
Yeah, dry cranberry. We have the hazelnuts, the pecan, the dates, the Brazil nuts, the fennel seed, good for gas.
Okay. So you have gas problem.
Yeah, and bad breath. Who like to smoke and whatever.
Yeah, Jason, see it here. This is for you, you know. If you have gas. It's for the smokers then.
And the smokers.
Yeah.
We have what? We have here so. We have the walnut, good for the brain. Good for the brain, walnuts. Help build up the brain. We have also the wheat germ.
Okay.
Good for your nerves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So wheat germ, how you use it? The same thing we add with this. You put in a punch?
You're putting a punch. All of them can go in punch, you know.
Okay, you blend
And
them up.
can eat separately. This same as this. You can put a teaspoon of water and drink same way.
Can put them in a porridge and then
All of them because we have them powder out, you know.
or you blend them out.
Powder them out, I have them in my fridge. So when I put in a porridge and I make oats and milk, it goes in there.
So how long now you have with this now, cuz?
What, 12 year? 12 year, 13.
13 years.
13. Yeah. But the one good so far.
We know a lot about the season and them cooking this too.
Yeah, some people even add some other things, but you have to get more than one person asks. Different kind.
Okay, so you learn about it in a school?
No, you just come in the market first time. First time you usually know about red peas. Red peas, normal red peas. Normally know about red peas.
Rice and
No,
peas.
yeah, but now we have all different types. We have the pinto,
Pinto.
the cranberry. To me, this better than the normal kidney bean.
Why you say better?
Because it's more moister, it's more nicer.
Okay.
We have the bulgur where you make porridge.
Bulgur porridge, yeah, no.
Yeah, you cook it as rice also.
Yeah.
We have the pink bean. This, when I cook rice and peas with this, it's not really that red. It have the same color as the peas, pinkish.
Pinkish like.
Yeah. We have the navy bean. We're in the tin as baked bean.
Okay.
But it in tomato sauce. We have the yellow split where you make dal or roti.
Roti.
So yeah. We have the yellow, we have the green. We have the black eye for prosperity.
Yeah.
That's every New Year they eat this with a finger. And you throw it in the corner of your house, under your mattress. Yeah.
And what that do?
That's how you bring prosperity.
Prosperity.
Yeah.
The name is prosperity.
Black bean. Black eye.
Black eye.
We have the chickpeas. This mostly Rastaman, vegetarian and vegan. Know about the chickpeas, you curry it, you brown stew it. Cook it down with your Irish, your carrot. Anything.
Yeah, cause I know I'm a vegetarian, I know about it still.
I have the lentils.
Yeah,
I have the red lentils. I also have cowpeas mainly. We have popcorn. So when the kids them want popcorn,
Original can that I use.
yeah, popcorn. No, it's popcorn. Different from the other corn. You have
Okay.
porridge corn, which is American.
And when popcorn.
Yeah, this is popcorn.
I have the chunks over there.
Chunks where the Rastaman them like.
Yeah, all me too. That's what me likes. So baby, so you know about all these seeds?
Well, in the market usually sell lime and pepper with my mother. But eventually pass away at the same time. Him come, my husband now come in the picture, Roger. Come in the picture. But first we never usually sell all this stuff. Usually sell red peas, gungo, and popcorn. Over the years now one thing, we start sell different types that people like.
Yeah.
And people get used to it. So the more them get used to it, the more them ask.
Okay.
They get more plentiful and more popular.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yes, darling?
So you know the benefit of them? You read the books.
You look up. Yeah.
So you do a lot of studies then?
Yeah, woman wrong.
Eventually.
You have to do it, you know, that's when the people them come. Who just are coming at the places of healthy lifestyle. You have to know if you tell them. Because if you don't know if you tell them, they are going to say, oh yeah, I said it and you don't know.
I don't know, that's true.
Yeah. So you have the Brazilian nuts. Them say.
Which one then? Brazilian nuts?
They help fight cancer cell.
This?
Yeah.
They help fight cancer cell. Wait, we eat it same here?
Yeah. But there's a theory on it where them say you eat 3 to 4 seeds a day.
3 to 4 a day?
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, so I know one that me eat the handful. I mean, I'll go back again.
And the dates, we used to eat the dates them a lot, you know, with that.
I really like it.
Yeah, I keep it, love it. Love the dates them.
That's dates.
Dates. This. Yeah. Oh, this is the prune. Yeah, you can make prune juice.
Prune juice.
And what is good for again?
Like constipation.
Oh yeah. Clean it out.
To me, more nicer when it's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you always blend up the day and keep yourself healthy and fit.
I'm blend up.
I'm on the blender. Raja, big up yourself on a good life.
Alright.
You know the thing go. I like what I go on, you see me? That's true, I can't cook at all.
We usually run all that boat and them stuff there. Yeah.
Yeah,
good night,
a good life.
Yeah, we have good life. I want to
I'll have the good things then for the body.
Yeah, but we have good things that like sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
I'm a daughter, so yes, I'm a daughter. And she,
No, yeah, that part.
she healthy. I'm beating.
I will not be thinking that we find them. Come on, man. So the free for talk we have and tell them what we can find at the market.
We have pine, we have sweet potato, we have tomatoes, we have carrots, onion, red onion, peas. So here you come and get your grains and your food, you know.
Tell them what we find in the market.
And so, Coronation Market, Darling Street, at King Street, or Tomato Highway,
Canla, so they're in between King Street and Tomato Highway. Canla. So that's beautiful. I can introduce yourself, my name. But then my name.
Hi, my name is Stacy Francis.
Yeah.
So nice talking here.
Yeah. We like your smile, Stacy.
Thank you.
Good life.
And so the boss of the video there.
Please, pick up yourself, not a good life. How we have not a good life?
I have come here.
Yes, you have lettuce. Who wants to sell me some of your lettuce? Where you sell lettuce then? Give me 2 pounds of your lettuce. I want 2 pounds of your
Real food in a real life.
real food in a real life.
Yeah, real food in a real life. Let your food be a medicine or your medicine be a food.
Which is right. Which is lettuce.
Real food. Eat healthy. Eat right, yeah, for a healthy lifestyle.
Definitely.
Food a good word. Positive word coming from Miss Incas from Coronation
Market. And you're right at King Street. See the sign there again.
Intersection at King Street and Tomato Highway. I'm always here.
Right through the week.
And it's food for life, always fresh, always ready, always up there.
Fresh.
Fresh lettuce from Clarendon, and later I will get in produce from St. Elizabeth.
Oh, your farm as well?
No, it's all the way from Flagaman, and I will be getting from Loudon, all the way from Manchester, and all the way from Clarendon. You know, all of the Jamaicans who say food for life and food of them glory. And you stay sweet, eat healthy for a healthier lifestyle.
Big up, what you mean? You want 2 pounds of the healthy lifestyle, yeah.
So you want a 2 pounds of the nice, green, fresh, healthy lifestyle.
Of course. Because we want to stay healthy, so I have to come check you for the healthy thing. Kill them away.
So I will be stopping. I'm sure black map, the scanner, that's all Kino cards, a contraband. A bonnet on it. I really like.
Carrot, man. You don't have carrot, no. We'll get the carrot this one.
$100 work now? How much can come up?
How much?
Right.
How much we get a while ago?
$1.
Yeah. Wrong thing, you know. You say carrot.
Carrot.
Oh, carry.
The man get nervous, you know, through the camera, nervous. You get nervous. And get nervous. Manners. The face ain't nice here with your half a body.
Yeah.
So the man say half a body man that. Let's say you general, you know. Nice Jamaican coconut.
Yeah, man.
Take out, you know.
Take care of it. Big up yourself and a good life.
Yeah, man.
Come sure come get my nice coconut from you.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Freshly.
Yeah.
You know see the island one them? See the island one?
Which one name though?
You want to have the eye?
Yeah, the isle.
You man, all of them have the eye.
All of them can't boil eye.
All of them boil eye.
All of them can't boil eye.
Okay. But them like put on seasoned rice and the rice and peas.
Yes, man.
You know about it though?
Hey.
With the rice.
Nice.
Nice.
Island.
Chef. Everything good in general?
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself and a good life, you know?
Yeah, man.
Are you there, sir?
Yeah, man.
If you're yourself.
Yeah, girl it now. Yeah, we have to support the team.
Yeah. Respect. It's a good life.
Good life. Mommy, big up here.
Yes, man.
Catch her up on the sea, you know, up on the heart. You know, if you eat no sweets. Too much.
I read off on the bicycle.
Well,
Sell two to her, you can do it something.
oh,
You know?
okay.
Fun, you still do it.
One of the seven on the good life, man.
You want to introduce yourself to a good life, man.
I mean that I'm that now. You mean I'm trouble people. I'm to follow you here. You just me. I'm saying this. The one thing that.
They come look for you.
Yeah, me you in trouble.
Yeah, man, see, tell you what I'm finding.
You see me up.
But you say you're trouble still.
That's an explain myself. Aye, man, it's not for yourself. You know, your boy come from saying 5 years ago, so you know. I'm going in, man. A family, you know. A family, you know. And it means that all them picking up people.
Chili cabbage. How what do the ginger them here, sir? What's your ginger?
150.
Yeah? So how much we going now? How much we going now? But you say 150, no know how much I 150.
150
a pound. Not using. My shot.
Wooly.
Shot, Wooly. Shot, Wooly. Where is a pound and liquor, a pound and save? At least the we that now. Go and see it. Natural thing you're doing?
Natural juice, we sell man, magnesium, pumpkin, Irish mash, green juice. Put some pumpkin seed, Irish mash, make a breadfruit juice.
Breadfruit juice. Where in the market there?
All around.
Spice. Okay. Yeah man, big up yourself, man. You put that juice yourself.
Good life. Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
Jamaica good life. Good juice, good food. Take care of yourself. Stay far from disease. Stay far from the girl. That's the man. Be a power there.
Be a power. Out.
Great food too.
Yeah.
China for again. Fever
Good. Good. So you're a specialist on the juice then, man?
Mix, you can't cook in the most can make juice.
True.
So you know your kitchen, most can make good juice.
Oh, fine.
What you do it target, sir?
What target, sir? We put that pressure.
Oh, but these are different. A cold soap. A cold soap. You buy this one cold soap the guys. Body bad.
Yeah.
Body bad. You don't show me.
Original thing up on cold stove.
Anything we put on cold stove, man.
Original.
Anything we cook out the door, have a nice now when they cook inside.
Ah, the boys are bad too. Boys are bad too.
Just put this on the
Boys are bad.
Drink the milk for you.
When I for you, they say eat bulgur rice.
Bulgur rice as well. Bulgur
I don't
rice.
think the right I know what the better thing I know. Too much salt.
see it cook when they're much younger.
Yeah, but you can't cook it.
I'm boiled.
Shop partner selling food. Yeah, all I want to hear.
Good life.
Good life.
And you just say,
I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this. I keep proud.